Good morning. I guess today I wanted to give you a little tour of my one-room apartment. I don't have too many days left in this apartment, a little over a month maybe. And starting next week, I'm gonna try and begin packing stuff up and getting rid of things. And so I'm taking this video really for myself so I can remember my room in the future once I'm gone from Korea, because I love my little room so much. But anyway, I think I did a tour of my room back when I first moved in, and so maybe you can compare that to what it looks like now at the end of my grant year.
So this first video that you're going to see is from the very first night when I moved into my apartment, so you can see how empty my room is and notice the difference from how I decorated it. Well, front door, obviously. There's a light here, but I think it needs new batteries because it's supposed to be motion sensor, but it's not on right now. But right to the left, we have shoe closet and probably other stuff closet. And then right in front of you when you walk in is the wet room or the bathroom. So this will be where I shower, use the bathroom, get ready, everything like that. Hello. Front door. So then to the right of the front door is my room. There's nothing here yet. I need to order some furniture. I would just buy it at Home Plus, but I don't feel like moving it here, so I might just get it delivered. But have my bed. I'm pretty sure this is one of the dorm beds from my school, but I bought some pink bedding for it. And then AC. Thank goodness, I'm very hot right now. But I have a little kind of porch type area with my laundry machine and then an area to hang dry clothes. Nice big window. The views are okay. I'll show you maybe when it's daylight. But my kitchen over here, fridge. I'll probably buy maybe something for storage over here because there's only so many cabinets. But anyway, that's the room.
Let's look in my room. So here's a quick glance what it looks like. And I'm gonna show you around a bit more. I'll start over here in my kitchen. I have a tomato plant that I planted from seeds months ago, and it's finally getting some tomatoes. We'll see if they ripen up in time for me to eat them. I have little sticky notes in my fridge and on my cabinets saying what food I have left so I can try and eat that up before I leave. On my fridge, I have some pictures drawn by my nieces that my family brought when they came to see me. And then backing up more, still have the leaf wall, but now we have some stuff written on it by family and friends. I try to make anyone who comes to my place not necessarily write something, but at the very least, like, sign their name. Here, I have my kitchen table. Normally it is covered in stuff, usually crafts. But at the moment, all that's on there is my makeup. Then we have my wardrobe. I'm a little bit worried about what I'm gonna do when I move out with this thing, because I'm one person and this is a big thing, but I'm hoping I can find someone to buy it and move it themselves.
Update. I do not need to get rid of all my furniture because they are keeping my apartment for the next Fulbright teacher. So very thankful for that. Don't have to worry about moving out my furniture.
We have some books and some stuff and some books and some stuff. This is the cute little dog I got in Jeju, and he's wearing a little dog hanbok. On this side of my wardrobe, I put up different postcards and all of my photo booth pictures from my time here in Korea. So there's very many. Actually, I think there's a few that aren't on the wall yet. And of course we have my bed. For some reason, I seem to be drawn to blue stuffed animals, but they coordinate well with my pink, so it's okay. I did have some posters up on this wall, but they fell down, and I didn't want to chance ruining the carpet, or not the carpet, what? I didn't want to chance ruining the wallpaper anymore, so I just left them down. Although I still have some of the art that I've made, the calligraphy, and this map of Jeonju. And then lastly over here, we have my little shelving unit. Next to it, we have what's left of the orchids that my dad sent me. He sent me 2 orchid plants while I was here in Korea. Well, not 2 orchid plants, but 2 things of orchids, each having 5 orchid plants. And so I've been giving them away, repotting them, giving them to friends, and so I just have one left here. And for this thing, I'll give you a little tour. So this is my craft shelf. It doesn't look organized, but I promise it is. Then we have the K-pop shelf. I don't know how I'm gonna get all of these K-pop things home because I'm gonna have no room in my luggage. Then we have the family shelf. I also have some seashells on this. I've gotten from different places like Busan, Gangneung, Jeju. And then lastly, this is kind of my Korea shelf. I have certificate of appreciation from my school. I have my graduation certificate from Korea University. I have this cute little drawing that I got done of me at a festival. I have this beautiful hanbok. I think as a decoration it's supposed to be put on like a wine bottle or something, but I don't really drink wine here, so it's just sitting there prettily for now. Well, I have that little guy. I have this mirror that I made and inlaid with this beautiful mother of pearl. I have this little dragon boat that I made in Yosu. And then I also just have a seashell holding kind of my jewelry here. But anyway, this is my room. My little one room. I'm gonna miss it so much. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little room tour video. I currently have about 5 days left in my apartment. I'm all packed up really. All my decorations are gone. So very sad, very bland here. So definitely missing the way it used to look, but I'll be curious if I can ever see how the next English teacher will decorate this room.